Good morning, dear students. Myself is Deepti from Dips Karol Bagh, and in today's lecture, we are going to do SPL Chapter 5 Judiciary and the Role. So, back exercise we have done, and now we are going to do the question answers of this chapter. So, let's start. So first question is, why is Indian judiciary called a unified judiciary? Answer: India has a single unified judiciary, which means all courts interpret and enforce the state laws as well as the law made by the Union Parliament, and it is also integrated judicial system for the whole country. The Supreme Court has the power to supervise and control the working of entire judicial system in India. Next question is, what do you mean by criminal case? Answer is, cases deal with the crimes in the society such as theft, murder or burglary, etc. are known as the criminal cases. Question number 3 is, what do you mean by civil cases? Answers is, cases deal with property and matrimonial issues are known as civil cases. Question number 4 is, present a brief outline of Indian judiciary. Answer: in number 1, India has a unified judiciary system. Number 2, Supreme Court is at the top of this system. Number 3, the High Court is the state, followed by district courts. And fourth, Indian judiciary settles disputes disputes accordance with the law of the Constitution. Question number 5. Why is Supreme Court called the apex court? Answer: due to following reasons, Supreme Court is known as apex court. Number 1. It has the power to supervise and control the subordinate courts. Number 2. It hears the problems and issues between one or and more states. Number 3. It hears the cases related to violation of fundamental rights. Fourth, it hears the cases related to the elections of the president and vice president. Number 5, it also hears and decides appeals against the judgment of high courts and other courts. Question number 6 is, what is the role of public prosecutor? The role of public prosecutor is: number 1, he or she conduct prosecution on behalf of the state. Number 2, it is his or her duty to present complete and material fact, witnesses and evidence before the court and to enable the court to decide the case. Question number 7 is, what is PIL? Answer is, PIL means public interest litigation. Question number 8 is, what is the appellate jurisdiction of the Supreme Court? Answer: the appellate jurisdiction means that the Supreme Court has to hear and decide appeals against of high courts and any other courts in civil or criminal cases. Question number 9. Why is Supreme Court called the Court of Records? Answer: the Supreme Court is called the Court of Records because the decisions and proceedings are recorded and quoted by lawyers for proceeding in the court. Next is question number 10. Why do we need judiciary? First point, it provides justice to people. Number 2, to check the power of the government. Number 3, to safeguard the federal nature of the government and resolving dispute between the state and the union. 4, to consolidation of the constitution. Number 5, to protect fundamental rights of the citizens. Question number 11. What are the functions of the police? These are the functions of the police. Number 1, prevention and solving the crimes. Number 2, arrest the person involved in the crime. Number 3, filing and investigating charge sheets. Number 4, to maintain law and order. Number 5, to regulate traffic. These are the main functions of the police. So these are the question answers of SPL chapter 5. Thank you very much.